Hi, today we're going to install a desk occupancy sensor. So it's actually going to be placed at a 45-degree angle underneath the desk, such as this. So the sensor itself has a QR code on it, which is easily scannable through the Deploy-M App, which is available on iOS and Android. So we're going to pick the preloaded area. There we go, we work for the first floor. And we're going to rescan the sensor. Hold it like that. And as you can see, it's been done. And we just save. Then you take off the double-sided sticky tape. You place it at a 45-degree angle underneath the desk. Very strong tape, so it sticks, and this covers anything moving underneath the desk itself. That's fixed. And we move on to the next one.